In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a captivating text animation using CapCut, perfect for adding a dynamic flair to your video projects. Imagine transforming ordinary text into a mesmerizing motion display that catches the viewer's eye. Whether you're working on a short clip, a promotional video, or just tweaking your latest social media post, this technique can add a layer of professionalism and creativity that stands out. Let's start by diving right into the process. First, you'll want to add your text to your project in CapCut. Think about what message you want to convey, and keep it concise for optimal impact. Once you've got your text, here's where the fun begins. You'll need to duplicate this text and split it letter by letter. This step might seem a bit tedious at first, but it's crucial for giving each letter its moment in the spotlight. Now that you've isolated each letter, the next thing you need to do is place each letter into its own text box. This allows you to manipulate each letter individually and gives you complete creative control as you proceed. Consider this step as setting the stage for each character. It's like giving every letter its own little bubble of personal space ready to dance in your timeline. Speaking of timelines, let's move on to arranging these letters. What you want to do here is stagger their position in the timeline. This effectively means you're offsetting each letter so that they appear on the screen one after the other instead of all at once. The staggering effect adds rhythm and pace to your animation, creating a more engaging visual experience as the audience tracks each letter across the screen. Finally, to bring everything together, add individual animations from under the In tab. CapCut offers a variety of animations, so feel free to experiment with different styles to see what best suits your message and overall video vibe. Adding animations gives life to your text, turning them from static elements into dynamic components of your project. It could be anything from a simple fade-in to a bouncing effect, depending on the mood or theme of your video. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully turned a simple text element into an eye-catching animated feature that's bound to impress. Remember, practice makes perfect. And the more you experiment with these tools, the more creative possibilities you'll unlock. Keep experimenting with different text styles and animations to find what works best for your vision. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.